To format partition in Windows 11, the most straightforward way is right-clicking on a drive in Windows Explorer and choose the Format option. But if you also want to create a partition or have other demands for disk management, you can turn to the Windows Disk Management or DiskPart command. Just choose one according to your situation. Right-click on Windows to open Disk Management. Right-click on the partition and choose Format. Click OK to confirm. If there are more than one partition, you can format them one by one if you need to. To create partition, right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. Type the size you want to shrink and click Shrink. The newly created partition is unallocated. Right-click on it to choose New Simple Volume and follow the wizard to finish the steps. If you are familiar with command lines, you can use DiskPart to complete the task. Type DiskPart in the search box and open it. Type the following command, press Enter after each command. Replace 1 with your volume number. If you want to format it to FAT32, you can also replace NTFS with FAT32. To create new partition, type the following command. Replace 1 with your volume number. To show you guys the changes on partition directly, I will put disk management next to it. Type the size you'd like to shrink. Here is 10,000 megabytes, which is 10 gigabytes. Here, I'd like to introduce a powerful partition manager, AOMEI Partition Assistant Pro. This tool can break the limitations of Windows' built-in tools and allows you to effectively format, create, delete, move, resize, and clone partition. Next, I will show you how to use it. If you think it's useful after watching, please find the link to download it in the description. Except for formatting and creating partitions, which Windows' built-in tools can do, in its Pro Edition, this tool can resize and move partition, clone partition, wipe partition, allocate free space, and so on. For example, you can move a partition not adjacent to a drive. Or directly allocate some free space from other drives to C drive. Besides, there are many powerful features in the Pro Edition, such as Disk Clone, App Mover, Data Recovery, and so on. You can hit the link in the description to download the free edition of AOMEI Partition Assistant to try it, and consider upgrading to Pro later. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.